How to see my friend's location on Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app and you'll land on the camera screen. Tap the location icon at the bottom left corner. This will open up the Snap Map. If it's your first time using it, Snapchat will ask you to enable location services. Tap Allow, and it'll take you to your phone's settings. Change the location access from Never to While using the app. Now go back to Snapchat and set your privacy settings for the map. You can choose between My Friends Accept, or Only These Friends, depending on who you want to share with. Once you're on the Snap Map, you'll see your Bitmoji on a live map. Look around the map to spot your friends' Bitmoji avatars. Tap on their Bitmoji and you'll be able to see their location, as long as they've chosen to share it with you. Just remember, sharing your location can be fun, but your privacy and safety always come first. If you ever feel unsure, just switch to Ghost Mode. It hides your location from everyone. And there you have it.